Hello, dear students. I am Manoj Kundare, working as the Assistant Professor of Electronic Science. I welcome you all on this online e learning platform. From now until the end of this pandemic COVID 19 situation, we will keep learning our academic subjects through the online mode. The structure of FIBSC Computer Science Electronics part is shown here. The FIBSC is consists of two semesters, semester first and semester second. In each semester there are two theory papers and one practical paper. Each paper is of 50 marks. Out of these 50 marks, the 35 marks are for the university exam and 15 marks are the continuous assessment throughout the semester. In semester first, the paper first is Semiconductor Devices and Basic Electronic System, which is for 2 credits. The paper second is Principles of Digital Electronics, which is for 2 credits, and paper third is the practical course first, which is for 1.5, that means 1.5 credit. In semester second, the paper first is Instrumentation System, which is for 2 credits. The paper second is Basics of Computer Organization, which is for 2 credits, and the paper third is the Electronics Practical Course second, which is for 1.5 credits. Now let's see the paper first of semester first. The name of the paper first is Semiconductor Devices and Basic Electronics System. The objective of the subject is to study the various types of semiconductor devices, and second, to study the elementary electronic circuits and the systems. The syllabus of the subject consists of total 6 units. The first unit is Semiconductor Diodes, which is for 6 theory lectures. The name of unit second is Bipolar Junction Transistor, or in short BJTs, which is for 7 theory lectures. The name of unit third is MOSFETs, which is for 5 theory lectures. The name of unit fourth is Power Supplies, which is for 6 theory lectures. The name of unit fifth is Oscillators, which is for 6 theory lectures. And the name of last unit, unit 6, is Data Converters, which is for 6 theory lectures. That means there are total 36 theory lectures are allotted for this subject. The paper second of semester first is the Principles of Digital Electronics. The objectives of this subject are first, to get familiar with the concept of digital electronics. Second one is to learn number systems and their representation. The third objective is to understand basic logic gates, Boolean algebra, and K-maps. And the last objective of the subject is to study the arithmetic circuits, combinational circuits, and the sequential circuits. The syllabus of this subject consists of total 3 units. Unit first is Number Systems and Digital Codes, which is for 10 theory lectures. The name of unit second is Logic Gates and Boolean Algebra, which is for 14 theory lectures. And the name of unit third is Combinational Circuits, which is for 12 theory lectures. That means this subject is also allotted for 36 theory lectures. Now let's see the introduction of the electronics. First of all, we have to know that what is electronics. We already get confused between the electrical and electronic terms. So first of all, let's see the difference between electrical and electronic devices. The devices which uses the electrical energy for performing their work is called as electrical devices, while the device which controls the flow of electrons for performing a particular task is known as electronic devices. In electrical devices, the metals like copper, aluminum are used for conduction of current, while in electronic devices, the semiconductor materials like silicon, germanium are used. In electrical devices, they are works on the alternating current. That means they are works on AC mains and high voltages. The voltage range is about 230 volt or 440 volt. But in electronics, the devices are works on the direct currents and low voltages. The range of voltages ranges from 5 volt, 10 volt, 20 volt DC source. Okay, I hope you understand the difference between electrical and electronic devices. The examples of electrical devices are motors, fans, generators, etc. While the examples of the electronic devices are the resistors, the capacitors, the inductors, ICs, etc. Now let's see what is meant by electronics. As the name implies, the term electronics is relating to the electrons. The word electronics was arrived from electron mechanics. The definition of the electronics technically says electronics is the branch that concerns with the flow of current through the semiconductor. That means we know that the current is the flow of electrons, and the branch related with this is known as electronics. There are mainly two types of electronics. First one is analog electronics and second one is digital electronics. Our first subject, semiconductor, is related with the analog electronics, and the second subject, digital principles of digital electronics, is related with the digital electronics. Further, we see the detailed description about these two subjects. Thank you.